Here's some Ascent of Man trivia. Subscribe. What did Albert Einstein develop in physics? Is it A, electromagnetism, B, law of gravitation, C, theory of relativity, or D, quantum mechanics? The correct answer is C, theory of relativity. Which ancient civilization developed the first writing system? Is it A, Indus Valley, B, Sumerians, C, Phoenicians, or D, Egyptians? The correct answer is B, Sumerians. Who is known for formulating the periodic table? Is it A, John Dalton, B, Isaac Newton, C, Antoine Lavoisier, or D, Dmitri Mendeleev? The correct answer is D, Dmitri Mendeleev. What is the smallest unit of life? Is it A, virus, B, DNA, C, bacteria, or D, cell? The correct answer is D, cell. Who is associated with the theory of conditioned reflex? Is it A, Albert Bandura, B, John Watson, C, B, F. Skinner, or D, Ivan Pavlov? The correct answer is D, Ivan Pavlov. Which philosopher is known for the concept of tabula rasa? Is it A, Aristotle, B, John Locke, C, Immanuel Kant, or D, Friedrich Nietzsche? The correct answer is B, John Locke. And what is the biological classification above species? Is it A, genus, B, taxonomic form, C, biological type, or D, species group? The correct answer is A, genus. Who proposed the heliocentric model of the universe? Is it A, Nicholas Copernicus, B, Tycho Brahe, C, Aristotle, or D, Galileo Galilei? The correct answer is A, Nicholas Copernicus. Who is known for advocating for vaccination? Is it A, Edward Jenner, B, Robert Koch, C, Louis Agassiz, or D, Hermann von Helmholtz? The correct answer is A, Edward Jenner. What is the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy? Is it A, respiration, B, digestion, C, fermentation, or D, photosynthesis? The correct answer is D, photosynthesis. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.